Family ya munini wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua ni maracakaya gutigwo ni sister yao uria mukuru. Turamendithĩria thayo ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩritũ. Ndumiriri iria mundu ugwitwo Rigathi Gachagua akorirwo akiruta ngimithoma na githungu toria agikorirwo akimiandika andikite ungi quote, I'm saddened to receive news of the passing on of our elder sister, Leah Wangari Muriuki. Leah has been our mother and the family patriarch. She has taken good care of the larger Gachagua family after the death of our father and our two mothers. We are devastated by the loss of this family head. My deepest condolences to her husband, her children and grandchildren. This is a very difficult week for me as a national leader and a family man. May the Lord heal our nation and families. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiumiriria family no ya mundu ugwitwo Gachagua magikorwo makiandikwo na Millicent Wanjikoga rest in peace na Esther Wanjiroga rest in peace. Michael Gogiakaga apumzike mahali pema peponi na Sejona kwa rest in peace. Shosho Montez Waweza kwa rest in peace. Woku ni kwa mwagi wa Mohoro tukakuko tugesaka na familia yothe ya Gachagua yakoragwo akimahe hinya kahaidaga kamara ikorwo makigerera karitu. Woku ni kwa mwagi wa Mohoro gakonge kuheana gitio kinene ukogi subscribe thini wa YouTube channel eno itu nigetha twagikorwo tugikiraga video ugakorwo wa mbere gukorwo ukimenya maria marai ko makihanika guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.